Guys, today we are going to be playing Bird Runners. And what to say? I love the bounty house. Okay. Here's what's probably the most. Or we can do a half-court shot. Well. How do I open the menu? Oh. Huh? Okay. J. McCurley. Where am I last? Well. How do I? How do I? I need to open this. I don't know how to open the door. Like. I don't know, like, do I just...
Hello, and welcome to Bird Runners. This short tutorial will go through the...
Yeah.
This game has flat mechanics. You can hold up... This concludes the tutorial. If you'd like to hop into the main game, please press the button on the table over there.
Hey, and for some reason, yeah. Bro, I have no body. I have no body. Okay. Carry the worm. Oh, I want. That doesn't work. Bouncy. Mouse. Bruh. Whoa. Get in! Yes, no. Floor is lava. Let's play. Yeah, but I don't have any. Oh shoot. Oh, when is this for? How we're going to start, bro? Well, it is being remade. Oh shoot, there's no flop mechanics. What's that? This is getting hard. No. Okay. Oh, shoot. No, no. Wait, so what if I try to... Oh, so we can just Lucio. There we go. Oh shoot, there's lava parts. This is pretty easy. And now I cannot fly my arms. That will not let me. Oh shoot. I don't know where the lava is, but it is being remade. So this is like a piece of cake because this is way easier than oh wait, what do you call it? Competitive in Gorilla Tag. I've made it. Made it. What happens if I jump on the lava? You just go through it. Okay. Got it, I got it. Whoa! So fun. What about this? Probably, like, there's lots of glitches because, like, it is being remade. Sad it. Where's the J-Mac Curly one? Bro, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure there was a J-Man Curly one. Oh, the mirror is not even letting me, bro. Yeah. And also, it is not, if I can't get this video, then I don't know, like, oh shit. Okay, so, I keep on recording, like, how many monkeys I have to tag. 1. But, it's just not letting me save it to Oculus. So that's why I cannot do it. Yeah. And yes, you can pinch climb in here. Like, It's pretty much, it's good. Beach ball. Oh, shoot. I'll read that to end. Okay. Oh, wait. Wait, can you wall run? You can. Lucio run? Yeah. Flappy Bird. Yeah. Yeah. Can you just go to the side? Oh, no. Okay. Where's the mute button? I said mute. Good. Oh, double boards. I want to try the double boards. Oh, it works. Wait, can you elevator? You can elevator. You can pinch climb. Yeah, not too hard, but like. If you want to use platforms, and like, but you don't want to do it in normal Gorilla Tag, Rec Room is a good one for this. And I'm just letting you know, when I'm flying, oh shoot, didn't I mute you? Come back here. There we go. So when you're flying, make sure to press, I believe, the A button. But yeah. Yeah, my headset is low. Okay, let's. Ah, shoot. I swear, bro. Yeah, and yeah, and how you do this is you just get up here. Yeah. You can throw this. Okay. That was it for today. And shout out to all of these creators. All the like people on there and stuff. And J-Man Curly. Bye. Oh my god. Okay. See you in the next one. Or, I don't know. Bye.